Okay, let's have a look at some of the demonstration forms which have been set up for you so that you can get a feel for the types of things that you can do using UberTicket. I'm just going to go across to my web browser and open up, and I've logged in here. Before you start the demonstration, you might like to go up and choose My Profile. Please make sure that you are a member of the Cloud Staff or the CS account. If you're not going to be able to see the demonstration forms. So let's go back here, go Dashboard, submit a ticket, and type Demo 1. Okay, hit create and this will show us the form. So this form has been designed to show you all the different options that are available when you're creating your own forms. Okay, the first option is a single line text box. That's great if you want to prompt someone for their name or their title or some sort of other single line of data. If you want a multi-line entry, such as a description or maybe a full address field, then there's a text area that you can use. You can also prompt the user to enter a date using the date selector inside here. There's a numeric value, which only lets the user enter numeric data, of course. There's an email address field, which will only take email addresses, and a field that will only take phone numbers. Now, after that, the most common information that you might want to prompt the user for is things where they select an option. So here we have radio buttons. The user can select one option from a list. There's a checkbox where they can select multiple items from a list. And then finally, there's a drop-down box where they can choose one option. Now, with the drop-down box, checklist and radio button, you also have the ability to allow the user to choose other. So if I select other here, I can now type in a different value, and that's available for checkboxes, radio buttons, and also for drop-down lists as well. So after inputs and radio buttons, etc., you may wish to ask the user to upload a file from their local hard drive. So we have single file uploads and multi-file upload options which are available. Just click here, choose the file that you wish to allow the user to upload, and they can then upload that file. As said, there is a single file and there is also a multi-file upload. The last thing I'd like to show you is what we call info fields. And these are not a field, but rather the ability for you to be able to have additional information displayed on your form. And we call them infographs. And so if you have an image that you wish to present on the form to provide assistance to the user, you can embed images. You can also embed text with different sizes, different font characteristics all inside there. So that's called an infographic. It's not really a field. It's just a way that you can add more information to the user. So that's a quick look at demo number 1, which is a form that shows you all the fields which are available to you when you're building forms.